name's Paul and this is PJT Ventures. Join me while I ramble on like an empty dump truck. Today's ramble, we found a couple more trees that we're going to harvest. This is the old Jag 3000. It's totally awesome. 340. It's so reliable and so easy to drive, and it's great. And then I got this little sleigh behind it. But I was irresponsible with my coffee, and my coffee leaked in here. Anyways, brought some supplies. Anyways, these two right here, they are standing dead. They're very straight, and hard to say how long they've been dead. I mean, they could have been, maybe they're a year old. My guess is when we fall them, we'll find out if they're punky or rotten. If they're bad, then they'll be perfect firewood. And if they're good, then they'll be some really nice pre-dried timber. So they're not doing anything anymore. So there's some, it's kind of funny. There's a road up, our little trail up here. So I don't know if I'll be able to, it's all fenced down here. So I snuck down here with the snowmobile. This was an old trail, but I might be able to sneak out the bottom, or we might winch them back up. But we'll, yeah, they look pretty good. They look pretty good. There's our two, right there. Okay, here we go. We got the old Husqvarna 51. Everybody shared a story or had one, or there was even one person who was exactly like me. When they were 15, they bought one and started their own firewood business. That's exactly how I got this one. Me and a buddy went in together. We started this little firewood company, and I traded him his value for it and took the chainsaw and carried on. And anyway, so I did do a little bit of a service to it. I put a new chain on and I cleaned the air cleaner and actually gave it a little bit of a tune-up, and I think it runs a little bit better than it was. Anyways, we'll go ahead and we'll cut this tree down, and we'll cut the second one down, and we'll see if we can get them limbed and bucked up, and see if we can get them up to the log arch. Well, here is one of the stumps, and again, we're looking at almost 100 years of growth with all these little growth rings. I think maybe what I'll do is I'll maybe slice an end off and sand it and get a really good count on it. But I mean, it'd be interesting to see exactly how many years it is old.
Foot paces instead of meter paces. He has to hang on to the chainsaw because otherwise he'd lose his balance. So what's that? How many paces was that?
What's that?
How many paces?
Oh, I made it 39, so we'll take three 13s out of it.
Cut down the little one so it doesn't screw everything up. Good chance for a practice cut. She goes, timber. Yeah. Nice one.
Up in there. Okay.
Gotta clear that lump.
Okay, try that. That's good. We can set it down now. Good. Okay. We'll grab a couple more. We'll get it so that they're all the same. Yeah, go ahead. Keep going right up and we'll tie this one up. Good. Okay, down. Yeah, keep coming out. Okay. Just give me a sec, I'm gonna knock those branches off. Well, another big load of potatoes, in the words of Stompin' Tom Connors. Look at this timber. So awesome. I think it's really good. Look at this. I think this is gonna be some really nice lumber. Anyways, we'll go down and I gotta grab the mighty Arctic cat from down by the river. And yeah, it's looking good though. We're getting some timber up here.